Okay, now we have a football lead-up game for grade levels 3 to 5 called Hail Mary Football. For this game, you're going to need cones, pennies, Nerf footballs, or regular footballs, depending on the skill level of the students, and very motivated children. The object of Hail Mary Football is to apply and develop throwing of a football for distance, catching a football, and teamwork. There is also an element of cross-curricular inserted as well. Good old Ray Nitschke. Okay, you divide the class into 3 teams, and in the center of the court, you form a square. And 2 of the teams will be the offense, or those players throwing the ball, and they split themselves up across from each other on the sides of the square. Those are 2 of the teams facing each other, and these will be the initial teams for the throwing of the ball. And the 3rd team is the defense, trying to intercept or block the Hail Mary passes. The offensive teams, or those throwing the ball, are on the outside of the square, and they're trying to throw to their teammates on the side. The team in the middle attempts to intercept or block the passes. You can play for a few minutes, then signal and rotate the teams. On the rotation, all 3 teams take a lap around the square. Once a ball is intercepted or blocked while the defenders are in the middle, they simply take the ball and roll it back out to the offense until the time is up and for rotation. This game can be modified. For any of the drop balls, we'll incorporate consequence exercises. Depending on the skill level of the students, we can enlarge or decrease the size of the square. And of course, that's where we can utilize the different type of ball, either Nerf or regular football. You could change over to the punt, again, depending on the skill levels and abilities of the kids. For more movement, you can rotate offensive teams to different sides of the square. That'll also change up the direction they throw and to whom they throw. And for the cross-curricular, we'll require a few questions randomly upon pass completions or interceptions. So this was a skill utilizing game, although a lead-up football game, where the students had fun learning how to pass over their classmates. And if it was hard or a challenge, the more learning was involved. This game can be modified in many ways. And of course, we hope the kids had fun.